Alrighty guys, we gotta talk about the big elephant in the room, and no, it is not XRP, because really guys, you're getting stimulated today because the market's going up, and we were expecting the market to start moving back up here almost to this exact date that we called this in the membership, because we have an algorithm that's following exactly what Bitcoin is expected to do for the whole year based off an 11-year cycle and a 4-year cycle. And I'll give this to you guys. On the 28th and the 29th, it showed that we were expected to hit the low for January, and then we're expected to see it move back up from there, okay? Here's the deal, all right? We're gonna whip out the whiteboard this morning because this is a pretty big deal. We are on our second of 4 days on what we call crypto boot camp. We started this on January 28th. You guys can grab a membership in the description, rewatch the 28th, but what are we on today, guys? We are on January 30th. Today, we're doing a live Zoom call. This is gonna be about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. Here's what we're gonna talk about. A lot of people right now are getting excited and stimulated by this market going up, and I don't blame you guys. Let me get a new whiteboard out here for me real quick. Let me do this. Let me shut this down real quick and open this up again. We're getting stimulated right now, but we're not, I don't think a lot of people are understanding what's about to come potentially from a stock market perspective. Okay, we've got interest rates, okay? Take it a little bit slower this morning so you guys can understand this. I'm gonna unpack all of this at 2 p.m. today on a live Zoom call, and then we'll do about 45 minutes of a Q&A. Interest rates. We then have what's called an inverted yield curve, okay? If you guys don't know what these are, that's fine. Basically what happens is the S&P 500 moves up and it moves down. I'm gonna color coordinate this for us. We're gonna do yellow of interest rates, okay? Yellow is gonna be interest rates. Interest rates go up, go down, go up, go down. What we're seeing right now is interest rates have come up and we've started to move down while the S&P 500 as well as cryptocurrency has been going up, okay? What we are also seeing at the same time, I'm gonna do this in blue over here, is what's called the yield curve. The yield curve has been up, it came back down, and it's coming inverted. When you have the yield curve going up, and then you have interest rates going back down, as you can see here, this causes stock market crashes to the tune of 30, 50, and 60% that we've seen in the past. This is currently live on the S&P 500. And you're like, well, Travis, how does this correlate to me? Because obviously I trade cryptocurrency and my DJ and altcoins. Okay, here's how this applies to you guys. There has never been a time where the S&P 500 has gone down and Bitcoin has not followed, okay? Never a time. And I'm gonna show you guys today, I'm doing a really just tip of the iceberg view here. We're gonna pull out a bunch of trading view charts. And I'm gonna show you guys the correlation of interest rates dropping and how it correlates to Bitcoin and how it has massively dragged down Bitcoin. And I'm starting to hear rumors now online that people are saying the bull market is going to actually be pushed off till 2026 because 2025 is actually expecting to have a massive stock market crash in 25 because this pattern is repeating itself again. Okay, this is a big deal, guys. That's just point number one we're gonna go over. If I left you guys with that, wouldn't do you justice. Here's point number two. We are gonna devise an entire risk management plan. So let me write this out for you guys. Risk management. I'm not your financial advisor, but I have already devised a few risk management plans for myself that I wanna share with you guys. Because I kind of think a lot of people are looking at their charts this morning thinking everything's going up. They've got one eye over here closed to the stock market crash and they're not looking at interest rates. They're not looking at yield curve and they're saying, oh, I'm not going to look at it. They're keeping this eye open in hopeful optimism, pretty much, saying, oh, look, everything's going up. I'm going to keep my eye open over here. Guys, open both of your eyes and look at what's in front of you. I've already taken $100,000 and prepared myself for a stock market and a crypto crash here that could happen very soon. Because we're going to show you guys how many days, the duration of days of how long it's taken for the stock market and Bitcoin to crash when this inversion has happened. And I'm going to give you the date. It's really soon, okay? So we need to devise a couple different risk management plans, which I will give you guys 2 different plans that we will be going over. This is 2 p.m. Actually, this is a live call, guys. This isn't a recorded video. I'm going to go live on Zoom with all of our members at 2 p.m. Pacific time. So write this down, 2 p.m. Pacific time today. If you guys grab a membership, you can rewatch it. We're going to have it recorded. And then we're going to go on another video on Friday, which I'm going to wrap up in the future forecast and show you guys, talk about this a little bit, and then talk about exit points. I'm telling you, this will be one of the greatest calls to be on because we're going to just show you unbiased data of what's coming, what we believe is coming, but I'm going to balance this also with the bullishness of what we expect Bitcoin to do as well, because there's tension. There's the stock market interest rates and then inverted yield curve. There's also the 4-year cycles that have tension here. When you don't know what to do and you have two opposing opinions, it will always come back down to risk management and percent allocations. That's what it's always comes back down to. And I'm going to teach that to you guys today. Okay, a lot is said here. How do you guys actually watch this? What you guys need to do, there's a link in the description. There's an emoji. It's literally a gift box. I'm going to give you guys 25% off our membership. If you guys are brand new, you want to check this out, get on this call. Okay, go over to tradeconfident.io, grab that membership, go over to Inner Circle. Okay, the Inner Circle link, I'm going to be posting this today. Give me about 2 hours. This will be live here. At 2 p.m. Pacific time, you will jump on a Zoom call. I will be there. The people in our membership will be there, and we are going to talk about this, and I'm going to do about 45 minutes of a Q&A session with everybody on Zoom today, and we will record it, and we will place it back on the Inner Circle Hangout page for you guys to rewatch if you can't watch it. Then on Friday, we're going to finish up the 4-day boot camp on the 31st with showing you guys how we're going to exit Bitcoin and our altcoin exit strategy. And we're going to tie in today into Friday of when are we looking to take our first exit. It's actually in February and March at a specific date based off over 5,000 days of data. Okay, this is where it gets serious. Grab a membership today, get on that Zoom call, and then watch the future forecast tomorrow. I promise you guys, this will bless you and it'll give you guys a balance of risk management. So you're not closing one eye saying, I'm not going to look at that market crash data. I'm just going to stay hopeful. Look at it with both eyes, guys. Look at it with both eyes. Prepare yourself, and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing with my portfolio. Real quick, update on the portfolio, and I'm going to get out of here. We are currently up today on this rebound, about $62,000 for the day. We have a ledger that has some extra funds in here as well. So we're up $53,000 on the ledger because we have XRP and Stellar over here. So that's where we keep our big boys. All right, guys, I'll talk about all this. I'll be on the Zoom call at 2 p.m. today, guys. Grab a membership. I'll see you guys today, and then I'll see you guys Friday on the future forecast. Bye, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.